Once you've imported all your clips into Windows Live Movie Maker, you should save your project. To do this, open the drop-down menu next to Home and choose Save Project. You should save your project in the video project folder that you've made and give it a unique name. Be sure to click the Save button. You should also remember to save your project periodically as you're working on it. In Windows Live Movie Maker, you have a clip editing area, you have a playback window that you can use to play back clips, and you can zoom in or zoom out on clips if necessary. The main tools that you'll use for editing can be found under the Edit menu, which is located under the Video Tools tab. These are the Trim tool and the Split tool. Use the Trim tool to remove unnecessary footage at the beginning or end of a clip, leaving only the part that you want to appear in the final movie. To use the Trim tool, click the play button and play to the approximate point where you want the clip to start. Then use the next frame or previous frame buttons to move to the exact point where you want the clip to start. Once you find that exact point, go to the Trim tool menu and choose Set Start Point. If you want to clip off the end of a clip too, you can either play it or you can use the vertical bar and scroll through to the point where you want the clip to end, and then again use the next frame or previous frame buttons to find the exact point. When you find that exact point, go to the Trim tool menu and choose Set End Point. Now the beginning and end of that clip have been trimmed off, leaving only the part that you want to appear in the final project. If you need to remove part of the inside of a clip, use the Split tool. In using the Split tool, you'll need to make two splits, one for the first part and one for the second part. Use the vertical bar to move to where you need to make your first split. Don't forget to use the previous and next frame buttons as necessary. Once you've got it in the right spot, click the Split button. Notice that it's made two individual clips now. Now go ahead and move it to where you want it to split again. So in this case, you're trying to get rid of those people crossing the street there, and click your Split button again. Now select the part that's in the middle of the clip that you want to get rid of and hit your Delete key. Now if you move the bar, you'll notice that it goes from one set of traffic to the next without the people crossing the street. Continue using the Split and Trim tools to edit the video in your movie project. You'll also want to have a consistent audio level throughout your project. To adjust the level for an individual clip, select that clip, then open the Video Volume menu and move the slider to an appropriate level to match the other clips. If you move the slider all the way to the left, it will actually mute all the audio in that clip, which may be useful if you've decided to add a voiceover clip. Sometimes, after you've been working on your project for a while, you may decide that you need to add some additional media. You can do that by opening the Home menu and choosing the kind of media you need, such as videos or photos, music, webcam videos, or snapshots. For example, if you want to add music and you've got a music file, you can click on the Add Music and choose Add Music, or if you want to add it at the current point in the video, you can do that as well. Choose one of these, then choose the file that you've downloaded and click on Open. Now in this case, it was not set to play at the current point, so it added it at the beginning, and you can see that the track is playing throughout the movie project.